people, in this video we'll be discussing everything about Google My Business. This is a series of 3 parts. This is the first part of the video, and in this video we will be starting with the Google My Business. So the first question is, what is Google My Business? Whenever you are searching on Google something about a product or a service in your locality, then you will get some results like this. So these results are called as a Google My Business listings, and the tool which provide these opportunity for businesses to list their business on Google is called as Google My Business. It is provided by the Google for free of cost. So let's move on to the topics which we will be covering in this particular video. This video will be covering 3 topics. The first is overview of Google My Business, second is benefits of Google My Business, and third is the most important features of Google My Business which you and your customers can reap it. Let's start with the overview. So this is a simple tool through which local businesses can get a space over internet, and the Google My Business is a tool which is specifically for local businesses to promote themselves and their services and products over internet, over online. Okay, and the question arises here is why Google is providing the Google My Business service for free of cost. The reason for it is the Google is trying to sell Google My Business to its local businesses for free of cost, so that in future these local businesses will take the service of Google Ads, which is a paid service. And for Google Ads, I will be making a video very shortly. Okay, so this was a reason why Google is providing it for free. And this Google My Business in foreign countries, many local businesses have already adopted it. 90 to 95% of small and local businesses have already adopted it, but in India many of the businesses have not yet adopted. Why? Because before Jio, the people were not having internet access, but now people are not aware of these things. The reason for making this video is to create an awareness among the people of Indians to take these opportunities and improve their business. So I want Indian business, local businesses to go and also adopt this new technologies provided by Google. Okay, so still one thing is 50% of all the Google searches, and the Google searches, monthly Google searches is 3.5 billion. Among 3.5 billion, almost 50% of the searches are local intent. Now local intent mean the something which a person is typing to find it locally, like shops near me, restaurant near me, or a salon in a particular locality. So these keywords are called as local intent, and the 50% more up to 50% of the people search for these type of keywords. And if you rank on these type of keyword, then it's mind blowing. You will get a lot of customers. So this was a bit overview of Google My Business, and now we will be going with the benefits of Google My Business. Start with the benefits. The number one benefit which a local business get is it is a free of cost. Now many local businesses don't have that much of budget on spending on online presence and all, so Google had made it for free. And as I have said in a few seconds ago, that why Google is providing it for free. So it is a free of cost for local businesses, and every local businesses should take the advantage of this free service provided by the Google. Second benefit, if you have a good listing and a well optimized listing on Google, then whenever the customer is seeing that, you will earn a trust and credibility of your customer. If you see any business which is online, then the trust and credibility will increases. You will feel that if the Google is promoting this business, then this business is a good business, I should buy from it, or I should consult it. So it will improve your credibility, and it will also give you loyal and faithful customers. So third benefit is you will get extra traffic and customers. Now if you have a website, you can also link it to the listing, through which you can get a good amount of traffic to your website also. But if you don't have a website, in fact you are getting a good customers. If they are calling you, or they are requesting for a direction, then you can get a good customer to your shop. So this is a major benefit of it. Point is that you will get a competitive edge. Now think that if your customer, if your competitor is not present on Google, and if you are present, then you will get a lot of benefits, like you will get a online exposure which your competitor may lose. If you you can also get many visitors, many customers through it, which a competitor may not get. And one more special thing is that if a customer is seeing that a business A is not on a, online, and you are on a Google page, then for a customer, you the trust will be more with you, and he will like to buy it from you because Google is recommending you. So having a Google listing will keep you ahead of competition and also will help you to build trust. So you will get a competitive advantage by having a listing. And the next benefit is that it is only applicable for a website users, website owners, and if you have a website, then this is very much applicable. Like if you have a website, and if you don't have a local listing, then it is must to have a local listing. Why? Because Google, in eyes of Google, it will improve the ranking of your website. If your web pages are ranking low, then if you create a local listing, then your web pages also rank higher. So this was a benefit for website owners also. And for on websites, I will be bringing many videos in further videos. So next benefit is that you will get, when you list your business on Google, it will give you a 2000 rupees worth coupon. So you can redeem it in AdWords. We will be learning AdWords in our further classes. So you will have a coupon 2000 worth, so you can redeem it, and see, it is a free listing, and upon that you are getting a 2000 worth coupon. And how to get it, how to use it, and many things on this coupon we will be learning it in a second part of this video. So you can also enjoy this 2000 rupees of coupon. And the last benefit is that it will improve your it will also get you will also get a visibility on maps. If your business once get listed on Google My Business, it get visibility on search pages and also on maps, because you are a local business, and Google also list you on a maps. Whenever someone is searching on a map for your product, you may also get visible to them. So it has a more benefits on both the platforms, Google and also Google Maps. So this was some benefits. Now we will discuss some features. In features, there are many features. The first feature is that you can add as much as information of your business on your listing. The Google My Business gives you an opportunity to showcase your business information, like when it was started, what is its timings, logos, pictures, carousels, still videos, rates, whatever the stuff you want to upload it, you can upload it, and people will see it and they will convert it. So you can add as much as information of your business on these listing. It is a good feature of it. The second feature is that you can promote your product, your services, your offers, your discounts. These things also you can promote it on Google My Business. If someone is typing just for the product, then your product may appear for free of cost. So the Google My Business gives this feature also to promote your product, services and offers. The next feature is that it is in the point of view of a customer. Now if a customer is visiting your if he is seeing your listing, then he will be able to visit to your website. He can call you directly through the phone number. He can also ask any questions related to your business, and also he can click on direction to get a direction towards your store and come to your store physically. He can also message you. So you can also put a review of your product or service, or your experience of their experience in the review box. So there are many features which a Google or Google listing provide to its customers also. So your customer will feel engaging when they see the listing, and everything should be well optimized. In second part we will be seeing how you can make a well optimized Google listing page. The next feature is that You can also add some health and safety attributes, different attributes of like what your business is doing as of now. And you can also add something updates, COVID-19 updates related to that. You can add all you can also add that shop is shifted, or something there is something special in your shop or something. You can add some updates and attributes too. Again, still one feature is that you can also see the insights of your listing. Now insight means something, this is the data of how your listing is performing on a search page on a Google. How many people have seen this search page, how many people have called you, how many people have visited your website, how many people have clicked on direction. So these are analytics. You can check it from the dashboard of Google My Business. So in next video we will be seeing these things also, that how you can check your analytics and all, and how you can improve it. And last feature is that you will be able to create a free website on through Google My Business. Google My Business gives an opportunity. It is a new feature. It gives an opportunity to its local businesses that they can create a simple web page or a website of their own, free of cost. So in the next video, in upcoming videos and second part of this, we will be seeing how you can create these website, and we will also see how you can use these features to improve your local listing and to rank higher. So this is it. In this video we have seen everything about Google My Business. In this video, in second part, we will be seeing how you can set up your Google listing, and also we will be see how you can optimize it. So this is it. In third part, you will be seeing some tricks, some tips through which you can get a higher rank, you can get top position in Google. So this is it. Thank you. Have a good day.